Hi, this is the second video in the series for example sums on ratios at the time of retirement of a partner. Let's go to the fifth example sum. Example 5. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1/2, 3/10 and 1/5. B retires from the firm and A and C agree to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate the gaining ratio. So let's go ahead with the solution. As per the question, old profit sharing ratio between A, B and C is equal to 1/2 is to 3/10 is to 1/5, which can be written as 5:3:2. B retires from the firm and A and C agreed to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2. So we have that the NPSR, or the new profit sharing ratio between A and C, is equal to 3:2. We are asked to calculate the gaining ratio. Let's apply the formulae. Old share minus the new share. A positive figure will imply sacrifice, whereas a negative figure will imply gain. So for partner A, old share 5/10 minus the new share 3/5 is equal to a negative 1/10, and A gains. In the case of C, old share 2/10 minus the new share 2/5 it's a negative 2/10, and C also gains. Hence, the gaining ratio between A and C is equal to 1/10 is to 2/10, or in other words 1:2. Let's summarize. Gaining ratio between A and C is equal to 1:2. Let's go to the sixth example sum. Example 6. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. Y retires and gives 1/9 of his share to X and the remaining to Z. We are asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio. Let's go ahead with the solution. We have the old profit sharing ratio between X, Y and Z given as 4:3:2. Further, it's given that Y retires. So the total gain by X and Z should be equal to Y's share, which is equal to 3/9. it says Y retires and gives 1/9 of his share to X. So gain of partner X is equal to 1/9 of Y share, which is 3 divided by 9, which is equal to 1 divided by 27. Hence, gain of Z is equal to total of gain of both X and Z together, that is the Y share, minus gain of partner X, which is equal to 3/9 minus 1/27, or 8 divided by 27. We can apply the formulae. New share is equal to the old share plus gain. New share of partner X is equal to old share 4/9 plus the gain of X, which is 1/27, which is 13 divided by 27, and the new share of partner Z is equal to his old share, which is 2 divided by 9, plus gain of Z, which is 8 divided by 27, which is equal to 14 divided by 27. Hence, NPSR between X and Z is equal to 13/27 is to 14/27, which is equal to 13 is to 14. Further, gain ratio between X and Z, we'll put the gain of X and Z together in the form of a ratio, which is 1/27 is to 8 divided by 27. So we get the gain ratio between X and Z as 1:8. So let's summarize this. New profit sharing ratio between X and Z is equal to 13:14, and the gaining ratio between X and Z is equal to 1:8. Let's go to the 7th example sum. Example 7. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. A retires from the business. C acquires 4/9 of A's share and the balance is acquired by B. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and also the gaining ratio. So the sum is similar to the example 6 which we did. Solution: given old profit sharing ratio between A, B and C is equal to 4:3:2. A is retiring from the business and it says C acquires 4/9 of A's share. So gain of partner C is equal to 4/9 of A's share, which is 4/9 into A's share is again 4/9, is equal to 16 divided by 81. Gain of partner B can be found out by taking the total gain minus gain of partner C. the total gain of B and C is equal to A's share, which is 4 divided by 9, minus the gain of C is 16 divided by 81. So we get the gain of partner B as 20 divided by 81. New share is equal to old share plus gain. Applying this formula, new share of partner B is equal to old share 3 by 9 plus the gain of B, which is 20 divided by 81. Which is equal to 47 divided by 81. New share of partner C is equal to old share 2 by 9 plus the gain of C, which is 16 divided by 81, which is equal to 34 divided by 81. Hence, NPSR between B and C is equal to 47 divided by 81 is to 34 divided by 81, which is 47 is to 34. Also, gain ratio between B and C is equal to gain of B, which is 20 divided by 81, is to gain of C, which is 16 divided by 81, which can be written as 20 is to 16, which can be further simplified as 5 is to 4. So to summarize, new profit sharing ratio between B and C is equal to 47 is to 34, and gaining ratio between B and C is equal to 5 is to 4. Let's go to the 8th example sum. Example 8. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 8 is to 3 by 8 respectively. Y retires and surrenders 1 by 9th from his share in favor of X and the remaining in favor of Z. You are required to calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the gaining ratio. Solution. As per the problem, old profit sharing ratio between X, Y and Z is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 8 is to 3 by 8, which can be written as 4 by 8 is to 1 by 8 is to 3 by 8, or in other words 4 is to 1 is to 3. Y retires and surrenders 1 by 9 from his share in favor of X. So gain of partner X is equal to, please note that it says surrenders 1 by 9 from his share and not of his share. So the gain of X is 1 by 9 itself and not 1 by 9 of Y's share. He surrenders 1 by 9 from his share. So the gain of X is equal to 1 by 9 and the remaining in favor of partner Z. So the total gain of both X and Z together is equal to Y's share, which is equal to 1 divided by 8. We have that the gain of X in this is 1 by 9. Hence, the gain of partner Z is equal to the total gain minus gain of partner X, which is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 1 divided by 72. We can apply the formulae. New share is equal to old share plus gain. Hence, the new share of partner X is equal to old share 4 divided by 8 plus the gain of X 1 by 9 44 divided by 72. New share of partner Z is equal to the old share of Z 3 divided by 8 plus the gain of Z, which is 1 divided by 72, which is 28 divided by 72. The NPSR between X and Z is equal to 44 divided by 72 is to 28 divided by 72, which is equal to 44 is to 28, which can be simplified as 11 is to 7. Gaining ratio between X and Z is equal to the gain of X 1 by 9 is to the gain of Z, which is 1 divided by 72, which is equal to 8 divided by 72 is to 1 divided by 72, or 8 is to 1. To summarize, we have new profit sharing ratio between X and Z is equal to 11 is to 7, and the gain ratio between X and Z is equal to 8 is to 1.